There is a window right now on YouTube and most people don't even know it exists. Certain niches are growing so fast that demand from viewers is outpacing the number of creators making content about these niches. And that gap between what people are searching and what actually exists is where new channels grow the fastest. If you get into one of these niches right now, before anyone else, you don't have to be the best creator before you blow up. You just have to be there. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 YouTube niches that are growing the fastest in 2026 with a real growth numbers and how to know if the niche is saturated. So ensure to watch through the end. But before we get into the list, I want to explain what I mean by growing niches, because it's different from popular niche. A popular niche is one with millions of viewers. For example, gaming is popular, beautiness is popular. They are also incredibly hard to break into if you are starting from zero. A growing niche is different. It's one where the number of people searching for that particular content is growing every day, but the number of quality channels covering it is still small. And that gap between demand and supply is your opportunity to blow up with this niche. Think of it like a market. If you open a shop in a city that already has 200 similar shops, you are fighting for scrap. But if you open the same shop in a neighborhood that is growing fast and only has 2 competitors, you will have customers walking in on the first day. And that is what we are talking about. My name is Uche Joseph, and this channel is focused entirely on helping you start and grow your YouTube the right way. I research what is actually working on the platform right now, and I break it down so you can use it. Whether you are a complete beginner or you have been stuck for a while on YouTube, I was there. I created this channel to help you guys grow very fast. So niche number 1 is AI tools and tutorial. Growth rate for this niche is 340%, and that is the highest growth velocity of any niche on YouTube. To put that in perspective, for every 100 people who were searching for AI tutorial content on YouTube a year ago, there are now 340 people searching for the same thing. The audience has more than tripled, and the number of quality creators is still comparatively tiny. And here is what makes this niche so accessible. AI tools are being launched every single week, every single day. Every single launch is a fresh content opportunity and you don't need to master AI. You need to just explain each new tool simple and clearly. And CPM sits at $8 to $22, and it is still increasing as AI companies have started advertising more heavily on YouTube. One thing worth knowing, the most popular AI videos right now are not the technical ones explaining machine learning. They are practical, how I cut my email time in half using AI. 5 AI tools I use every single day. The AI tool that will replace my video assistants. And people resonate more with this kind of content because practical beats technical every time. And I want you to remember that. So niche number 2 is no code and automation. Growth rate for this niche is 220%. No code is the idea that you can build tools, automate workflow, and run a system without writing a single line of code. Tools like Zapier, Make, Notion, Airtable, and Webflow have made this possible for anyone. And here is the catch. Businesses are desperate for this right now. Small business owners, freelancers, they all want to automate repetitive tasks, but they can't afford developers and they can't write code themselves. And YouTube is where they go to learn how to do all of that. And there are still very few creators teaching this in a way that is clear and simple and beginner friendly. And if you can sit down and film your screen and show someone how to connect two tools so their business runs automatically, and that is a video people will watch, share, and come back again to watch again and again. And the CPM for automation content is strong. It sits alongside the business and software niche at $12 to $25. And the sponsorship potential here is enormous too. And this is a niche where you can genuinely do not need to show your face. You can just screen record plus your voice is enough to make this niche work. Niche number 3, personal finance for Gen Z's. Growth rate is 180%. Now, I know you might say, is personal finance already not saturated? The answer is yes, but this sub-niche is completely different because Gen Z are people roughly between 18 and 28 years old, and they feel completely left behind by traditional personal finance advice. The advice they find on YouTube was made for their parents. They like content that focus on how to clear up my debt, how to solve my inconsistent income, trying to invest with $50 a month, and how to figure out how to build a credit score without a credit history. And nobody is talking to them directly, and there are 180% more of them searching for financial content, financial advice every year. And the CPM here is everything the personal finance niche promises, $15 to $45, but the competition is fraction of the main category, which is personal finance. So if you are young and you understand young people's financial reality, this is possibly the most well-timed opportunity on this entire list, on this kind of channel you can start. Niche number 4, cybersecurity and digital privacy. Growth rate is 160%. Every week there is a new data breach, a new scam targeting people, a new reason to worry about what your phone or your laptop is doing with your data. People are scared, and scared people search on YouTube to know how to solve their problem. They want to know, how do I protect my password and my personal data? How do I know if my phone is hacked? And most cybersecurity content on YouTube is made by technical experts talking to other experts, and it's complicated. It ignores the average person who just want to stay safe online. And that gap, which is simple, clear, practical cybersecurity content for everyday people, is wide open. And CPM in this niche runs from $10 to $25, driven by VPN companies, password managers, privacy tools that advertise heavily on YouTube. The sponsorship deals in this niche are some of the most consistent on the platform on YouTube. You don't need to be a hacker to teach cybersecurity. You just need to be someone who can take a scary topic and make it understandable. Niche number 5, remote work and digital nomad lifestyle. Growth rate is 140%. So since 2020, remote work has gone from exception to an expectation for millions of people worldwide. And now in 2026, a growing numbers of them are taking the next step. They don't just want to work from home. They want to work from anywhere, like Bali, Cape Town, China, US. They want to see how it actually works. And here is what's interesting for creators based in Africa. This niche currently has a massive blind spot and is dominated by European, North American, and USA creators talking to European and US audience. So the perspective of someone from Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, South Africa is almost completely absent on YouTube, and that is not a disadvantage. That is a differentiated voice, and the differentiated voice grows even if you are not a digital nomad yet, documenting the journey of becoming a remote worker. And that is content people will follow and they will watch and see, come back and watch again. CPM sits at $8 to $15 with a strong affiliation potential from tools like remote job boards, travel card, and booking platforms. So if this niche resonates with you, you can start. You can try it out. Before you go and pick one of these niche, I want you to leave with one thing here. The best niche is not the one with the highest CPM. The best niche is the one you will still be making videos in more than 3 months. When you have 200 subscribers, your viewers are not exploding, and your best friend is the only one watching you consistently. Because passion alone won't grow your channel. The formula is simple. Find a niche from this list that you either already know something about or that you are genuinely interested in it enough to learn. They'll show up every day, every week. That is it, and that is the strategy. So right now, drop on the comment section which of these niche are you going to start. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I urge you to subscribe.